Hey guys, so I put my roses in this pot, and I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this. This is a worm barrel that I have here in one of my boxes. It's dug deep down, it has holes in it, worms come and go. They've been doing this for years. So I'm digging in there, getting some castings out for my roses, and I felt something hard, and look what's in there. It looks like another jaw. I don't know if you all have seen all my videos of, I find bones in my garden all the time. Now how this got in there is beyond me, and it's got a pretty big tooth, so you know, I don't know what this is. Is it a possum? Now I'm scared to keep digging my hand in there because I don't know what's gonna be in there. You know, I was using this tool and then I left it because, you know, the castings in here are just so soft and they feel nice. I don't know. Why is that in there? Maybe he came in here and died. I don't see anything else. Except you see, a lot of worms live in here. A lot of worms. Oh man, I don't know. It is so odd. Anyway, I'm gonna keep getting. Okay, I see the bottom, so there's no other bones in here. Yeah, there's the bottom of the barrel. Ah! Sorry about that. So, I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask Joe. Oh guys, I'm telling you. So you see guys, see over here, those are holes. That's a hole, a hole, a hole, and this is ground level. So the worms come in through there, they do their thing in here, and then they leave again. I add food scraps in here, leaves, you know, weeds, anything I find. And look at the castings. Plus that. Obviously something died in here. But I don't know where the rest of it is. Like I checked the whole barrel and it's the whole little bucket and it's not in there. Yep. Welcome to the world of gardening.